So today we're going to be working on the Moriziki SL200, and for this specific machine, it's got a problem with it. So you want to turn it on in the back, the breaker switch. You're going to want to turn it on. I already turned it on because you got to have it warm up for 5 minutes. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to turn it back off and turn it right back on again. And then you're going to want to check your fluid levels, coolant levels. Coolant looks a little dirty, but it'll do. And I see I have a mess over here I have to clean up after my shift. I'm going to walk around the machine, make sure everything's plugged in. No leaks or any wires been hanging out or anything like that. So as you come into the front of the machine, you're going to click the on button to turn the screen on. And as the screen's loading, go ahead and clear the e-stops by pulling this one, twisting this one. And you're going to read this message. It's asking you if you're capable of operating the machine. If you do not know how to operate the machine, don't try to operate the machine. So you're going to press the OK button to clear that screen. Soft key right here. And then the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to try to home the machine. And to do that, you got to make sure that this panel switch is on, because on makes it so you can press the buttons and they actually work. Because if it ain't on, none of them are going to work. If you have it on, you're going to go over here to the message. And to clear the message, you want to click the message soft key. And then to clear it, you don't press reset like the other machines, you press the on button. And then the next operator message is telling you to do is open the door, then close. So you're going to do that. Now we're ready to home the machine. And to do that, you got to make sure you're in zero return mode, position, function, and hold X until the light turns on. So boom, light's on. Then you're going to do it for Z. Make sure that you don't hit anything. Keep your head here. And we are homed.